Hello, welcome to the Overflow Method podcast. My name is Arich, and the purpose of this podcast basically is to change the way that we create away from something unsustainable into a structure of living that is not only sustainable but actually invites us into thrival mode, which is the opposite of survival mode. So the overflow method framework has 4 different layers or levels. You can kind of picture it like a Maslow's hierarchy of needs. At the bottom layer, we have the body. If your body layer is not taken care of, in other words, if you are not taking care of your health, anything that you build on top of that is going to be a house of cards. You cannot create a sustainable and thriving business, legacy, career, etc., without making sure that your body is good. And when your body is good, that allows you to achieve levels of success that actually feel just as good as they look. Sometimes this might mean that it takes us longer to get to those levels that we desire and that we actually ultimately see ourselves in. But we understand at a core level that it's worth it, because when we do get there, it's stable. It's so stable. It's like unshakable because you've created it in a way that you can really see yourself kind of living in and following for the rest of your life. The second layer is the style layer. The concept of the style layer is that it's your first level of self-expression. So our creative legacies are like our businesses and our projects in the world, but our first level of creative expression that the world sees is how we dress and how we present ourselves, basically how we customize our avatar. When we're confident, because we are wearing things and presenting ourselves in ways that feel like we're reflecting our inner essence outwards, it's really going to change how we show up in the world and what opportunities we attract towards us. The third layer is the environment layer. This layer is like your home space, your workspace, like actual physical surroundings, but also relationships and virtual surroundings like social media. This layer is about harmonizing these areas because they also affect what you then go on to create in the fourth layer, which is finally the legacy creative business layer. So it takes all these like underlying layers to get to the legacy layer, because again, what we do at the topmost level is not going to be sustainable if we're not taking care of ourselves and taking care of all the things underneath. So yeah, that's the summary. Every episode that I bring up, whether it's a guest episode or a solo episode, will be touching on at least one of these layers. But really, at the core of it, the intention behind every episode is to create reframes in our perception that allow us to identify and build structures of creation that lead us into thrival mode, so that not only are we experiencing success in all the ways that we dream, but how that actually lands in our bodies and our systems, and how that success actually feels on the inside feels just as good, if not better, than how it looks. So thank you for listening, and I'm so excited for you to tune into any of the episodes, all of the episodes, whatever resonates with you. And yeah, thank you. Bye.